Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the last week in the Mayday Never a Card When You Need One collaboration. This is hosted by Tammy, My World in OKC, Jody's Craft Room, and Sandra CraftyMom. I'm going to link all their channels down below. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So my first card, we're going to finish this up together. I hope that it goes well. This is the front, which I'm going to be fixing up, and the inside, because this is for my boyfriend, we have the two bearded dragons. I have this paper and I thought it would be perfect. And this is the back. I just matted what's going to be the front. Now, this is the front. I cut this out with my Cricut, and the Cricut machine wrote Happy Father's Day, Poppy, and I colored it in green. And if you could see, I inked along the edges in green as well. Now, I've already put a piece of acetate that I had cut up from a box that I had a packaging in. And I've put my foam tape already all around the back here. And I have my sequin mix, because we're going to be making this a motorcycle Father's Day shaker card. So let's see if I could get this together, but I thought that it wouldn't look so good right on the black. So I got a piece of vellum, and guys, this is my trick on a budget. The post office has these envelopes, and I cut this into a piece for this project. So you see, guys, the vellum is on, and where you see is where I glued, and we're not gonna see that part when I put the front back on this card. So that's why I didn't put glue all in the middle, because I knew it was gonna go through. All right, so all my tape is off, and I'm putting my sequins in here, right where my motorcycle image is. So all my sequins are in here now, and I'm going to put my card on top, and we are gonna flip it over and see, guys. And I'm hoping I line this up right, guys. I feel like I did something wrong putting it like upside down, but I'm gonna try and use this as my guide for the other because they're the same. Oh my God, it worked! It worked, guys! Look at it! This is awesome! Oh my God, this came out so super duper, guys. This is better than I thought. So this is my one card for this week, and I'm very happy how it came out. Green is my boyfriend's favorite color, which worked out because this inside goes along with it, and I think he's gonna love his card. I really do. So that's my card number one. This is my card number two. I've already made her. It's a Julie Nutting stamp that I used to make this beautiful card here. And the inside I matted with this paper, and then I put these here that I cut out using my Cricut so that you can write the words of your card. So this is the Julie Nutting stamp that I used, and I colored her all in. Her top here and jacket is a different piece of paper that I cut out and glued on top. And then her skirt, I used this Perfect Pearls. This stuff's great, guys. You use this pen here, you color in the area you want, you then brush this on to the area, and you simply just, brush the excess off. She's all dry now, though. And it stays on real nice. It looks so pretty. And then on the bottom of her skirt, I put these black sequins. And yeah, guys, this is my card number two. And I think she's so cute. Gave her a face. And back to card number one over here. I'm super happy with how this came out. I really thought the sequins were gonna all come out the card, but you guys see, nope. All right, guys, those are my cards for this week. Last week in the collab. Let me know what you think of them. Please comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.